In front of me is ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it again, click on delete and wait. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!